can see, the workshop is 41 working bays, a capacity of 41 vehicles at the same time. We provide the service for all the Jeep, Dodge, Ram and Alfa Romeo vehicles. Also, in terms of parts availability, we currently hold a stock of $2.5 million, and we aim to be with parts availability of 92%, inshallah. The customer experience should have been, or it will be, very easy. Like, the customer drives into the interactive reception with his car. He hands the car to the reception, and then from there he comes back and collects it from the reception itself. The turnaround we expect of the vehicles with the parts availability, not more than 24 hours.